Yeah.
Please on the track, nigga.
Yeah. Yeah.
Coming closer then. You tell me gates round 9. Got you look pretty and you know you're so fine. What you doing to me and your life fine wine. Getting much sweeter as we pass by the time. Wanna catch me when you looking in me bedroom eyes. You want to slowly rub me on the thighs. Oh, give me the ride, give me the morning ride. Anything you want me do, I'll abide. Only secrets I will confide. Only you and me we know the time. Come and love the way I touch and caress, yeah. It's a shame for me for I'm but in your dress, yeah. Give me the ride, give me the morning ride. Anything you want me do, I'll abide. Only secrets I will confide. Only you and me we know the time. Come and love the way I touch and caress, yeah. It's a shame for me for I'm but in your dress, yeah.
We can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. I make it say, we.
Oh no. Come and say into me bedroom, get shut the door. It's been too long, we just can't wait to explore. They say making good love is like a trait. You either have it or you're just another mate. Come and see your passion burning up like the flame. And me feel like anybody wants to tame. Give me the ride, give me the morning ride. Anything you want me do, I'll abide. Only secrets I will confide. Only you and me we know the time. Come and love the way I touch and caress, yeah. It's a shame for me for I'm but in your dress, yeah. Give me the ride, give me the morning ride. Anything you want me do, I'll abide. Only secrets I will confide. Only you and me we know the time. Come and love the way I touch and caress, yeah. It's a shame for me for I'm but in your dress.